Hi guys, Pyroman here with my fireworks stash for 2024. Everything purchased in this video I have brought from Paul's Fireworks on the Country Road, Birmingham. If you're in the surrounding areas, would highly recommend. Specializes in Celtic, Hallmark, Kimbolton, Absolute Fireworks, Taipan, Bright Star, you name it. Top pyro for you guys. So going into my rockets, I have the Insanity 6-pack rocket, which contains 13 grams of net explosive each rocket. Apparently these pack a punch. These were gifted to me from Paul himself. Big shout out to Paul Fireworks. Combined 78 gram in the rocket. Moving on to the big boys, I have Dark Angels here. Huge rockets, big brakes, very loud. Would give any Hawk variant a good run for its money. Maybe some bigger rockets as well. Moving on to my cakes, I got 41 shot Serpent attack. Would highly recommend that cake. Fired it on bonfire night, had to buy another one for New Year's. Check out the video on my YouTube page, Pyroman. .460 grams, 0.9 net explosive, 14, 20 mil and 25 mil bore tube size. Packs a great punch, very unique cake. Serpent attack. New for this year, never had this before. With the main fuse and the reserve fuse. We've got 63 shot Mix It Up by Celtic Fireworks. Let's check the tube sizes. Contains 446 grams of net explosive. And a 20 mil bore tube size throughout. Multicolored, never fired this before. If you guys have fired this Mix It Up, please do shout me. So guys, my first ever fan cake. Never ever had a fan cake before, unless it is in like a mixed barrage, but never have gone out just to buy a fan cake. So slow-mo is the first fan cake I'm ever having. Let's check the mils on this. As you can tell, max tube size, 30 mil bore. Struggling to get it up there. 20 mil bore, 475 grams of gunpowder, and a 35-second burn time. So I am excited to fire slow-mo. Here we have a 25 shot Valletta and a 25 shot Colourful Palms. Both fired on bonfire night. Did buy it and had to buy another one. It was that great. Big shout out to Paul once again. Highly recommend. So 30 mil tube size for both cakes. Let's check the gunpowder. 30 mil tube size. There you go. 47 grams in each. Very loud, big breaks from a 30 mil tube size. From Valletta and Colourful Palms. My favorite is Colourful Palms. Just has that little bit punch, extra punch in it. So guys, this is part 1 to my fireworks stash for New Year's 2024. We'll be getting a few more items from Paul's. Stay tuned guys, and I'll see you in the next one.